Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop message request on Facebook Messenger. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. So guys, to stop message request on Facebook Messengers, you can follow some of the steps that I'm going to tell you. First of all, open the Facebook app on your Android. Now go to the menu icon, tap on setting gear. Scroll down and select the option Privacy and Safety. Now, on the privacy page, tap on Message Delivery option right here. Under Message Delivery, you will find many options. You need to set everything as per your wish. If you want to block everyone not on your friend list from messaging, you tap on the options Other on Facebook, just right here. Now, here you have to select the options Don't Receive Request on Text page.